Welcome back in part 2, and in this video I'm going to teach you about how to register your ccTLD domain. Now first step you need to take is go to the Google and search for your ccTLD domain provider for your country. You can easily find the site of that company or organization providing ccTLD domain in your country. Now after finding that company websites and now apply for the domain, and while applying for the domain you need to have some technical details like primary server name, secondary server name, tertiary, and the fourth server name. You need to fill this server name while applying for your ccTLD domain. Let me first inform you that these server names and the corresponding IP address are of freedns.operate.org. This freedns.operate.org is a free DNS service provider. Let me first log out from my account. It's done. Now you can see that a free DNS is a free DNS, dynamic DNS, static DNS, and subdomain and domain hosting provider. It's totally free of cost. Now we are using this DNS server, primary server name and secondary server name in our ccTLD domain. For the primary server name we have ns1.operate.org and the corresponding IP address is 67.19.72.206, and for the secondary server name we have ns2.period.operate.period.org and the corresponding IP address 174.37.196.5.5. And the tertiary server name and the fourth server name are optional if your domain ccTLD domain provider asks for the tertiary and fourth server name, then you can fill it, otherwise it's not necessary. Now let's talk about more about ccTLD domain, and regarding that sector we'll go for freedns.operate.org. Let's talk about more about freedns.operate.org. At first let's move towards their site of freedns.operate.org. We can find why is free and feature list in this website. After you go in this website, after you have your domain, after you have ccTLD domain is alive, you will get an email of your domain being activated. You get a telephone call. I got an email. After you get an email that your ccTLD domain is alive, you have to register your ccTLD domain in this website. Now for that, first of all, go to the link freedns.operate.org. I will place this link in the description also below. And now after going to this link freedns.operate.org, at the first go to the domain tab, which is left sidebar. After going to the domain tab, you will get this login panel. Since I have an account, I get the login panel. Otherwise you have to set up an account here by clicking on the link here, set up an account here. After clicking on set up an account here, you will get this page where you have to fill up your first name, last name, user ID, passport confirm, email, and this captcha. And by checkout this I agree to your bag and send activation email, you'll get a verification link in your inbox, and check out that inbox. Check out that inbox and click on the link. Since I have an account, I can log in easily. Let me log in first. Right, I'm in my account. Now you can see I have 2 active email ccTLD domains, and one is under process, and this is just for sample for you. Now what you can do is add a domain After making an account, you can add a domain. You have to click and add on domain tab. So add a domain. After clicking on add a domain, you'll get this type of page where you need to fill up your domain. For example, sample domain.com.np. This is a just for try, so I'm using whatever I like, sample domain, and this ccTLD domain for Nepal.com.np. Now share the state. You can either make it private or make it public. If you want to make this your website available for the public, you make it public or make it private. So most of them use public, so I will make it also public, and after making public, submit it. After submitting, you will get information that domain sample domain.com.np has been added to the system, but the domain is broken. That means your domain is under the process, and it may take 24 hours or 2 days to verify your domain is live or not. This free DNS will verify your domain. After your domain is verified, you have to enter there's some technical details. I will show you that in my next video. So please like the video, subscribe the channel, and wait for the next video. Thanks for watching.